In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in TradingView for 2025. Whether you're just getting started with TradingView or looking to navigate it more comfortably in your preferred language, this guide will walk you through each step. To begin, you'll want to open up your browser and type in TradingView.com. Hit Enter, and this will take you directly to the TradingView homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, if English is not your desired language, or you'd simply like to view the interface in a different one, you'll want to locate the language menu. It's generally positioned towards the top of the web page, though its exact placement might vary depending on updates or screen size. Click on the language menu and a list of available languages will appear. This menu typically features a comprehensive selection designed to cater to a global audience. For today's demonstration, I'm going to select Español, which is Spanish. Simply clicking on the language name will start the transition process. You might notice the page refreshing, and soon everything should be displayed in the new language. This switch doesn't just affect the interface. It often updates all text on the web page, enhancing your ease of use in a language you are more comfortable with. If, after some time, you decide that you'd like to switch to another language, the process is just as simple. Find the language menu again. Remember, its appearance is based on the current language setting, so in Spanish it might read as idioma. Click on it once more, and from the list you can make another selection. Let's switch it to English, at India, this time. By choosing English au India, you're not just altering the language, you're also potentially tapping into region-specific terminologies and date formats that might suit your preferences better. After clicking on English India, the page will update, and everything should now display in this selection. This is a flexible way to ensure that TradingView continues to be user-friendly and tailored to your linguistic needs. It's important to remember that while TradingView is intuitive and largely language-agnostic, regarding graph interpretations, charts, and analyses, having the interface in your preferred language can significantly ease navigation and enhance your overall trading experience. And there you have it, a straightforward method to change the language in TradingView, allowing you to personalize the experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your time on TradingView. If you have any further questions or need more assistance with the platform, feel free to check out other videos or reach out for support. Happy trading, and see you next time.